Today we are playing Broken Bones 3, and let's get into this. So, wait. I have to close the door like always. There. Okay, so okay. Wait, somebody's E6. Wow. Wow. Oh, that wasn't a really good jump. Oh, these. No, come on. Those. I saw there was dead people on the floor when I was sliding down, right? Yeah, there was. Did you see it? Oh, I forgot to do the effects again. Okay, now it's my time to press the effects. Okay. I like to do it at the bottom because it's you know. That's really cool when that happens. Oh my. Wow. 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 So the firework, I think, is the best one. So why is that? Oh, SmackDown. I just saw that and SmackDown was 25. So it looks like that really is just a really good one. But I think you need to do SmackDown up top. How is that 77 and already? I got 77 bones broken before. 91. Okay, I didn't even do firework. This would be a good one to do firework on. Oh. The trees, let me tell you, the trees are not that a good place to land on. Oh, there's the water. Like, never saw the water in this game. Oh, I can't go in first person. Wait, let me see if I could go in first person up here. I just could go farther though. Farther. I'm just seeing people flying off like higher than me. A lot of people are on this level. A lot. I bet that's like the 86 guy, like on like a lot different level than me. He might be on like the last level, or like just started like going to the last level, like second to the last level. Oh, wow. This one's really good. I wish I could do the firework on this one instead. Wow. I got good ones. I got really good ones. Without firework. My legs are like tangled up and stuff. Like when I do these, and you know, when they go down, like the rock's slow, that's when I get a lot of bones. When that happens, like I don't think, oh, yeah. It does pretty good on like this slow. But the problem with that slow is like it would stop at a point, not at the bottom. I don't know, like bounce, like 100. The last one that I got 107. I like this. This might be a really good one because it's gonna hit the rock. Oh. Only a little. Oh, we got 111. It just ends like at the 17 stuff. I'm sliding down for a very, very long time. And that's the end of our video. Now like and subscribe. I'm just gonna jump down one more time. And yeah, like and subscribe. And bye. After I jump down. So oh, that was a good one. That was a really good one. And now, this is the end of our video. Like and subscribe. I said 3 times already. And